All right, we are going to go ahead and start this game. It is about poetry and analyzing poetry. We are going to do a Kahoot based on poetry and analyzing poetry. Poetry is often written with several lines in a group called paragraphs, stanzas, rhymes, or rhythms. You can write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your reading notebook. And then you're going to take a picture of it and upload it to this assignment. So the answer here is stanzas. Question 2. The noticeable pattern or beat of certain poems is called rhyme, rhythm, stanza. Rhythm. 3. When words at the end of certain lines have the same ending sound, we say they rhyme, rhythm, verse, stanza. The same ending sound. They rhyme. A comparison using the words like or as is called a rhyme, rhythm, metaphor, simile. A simile. A comparison that does not use the words like or as is called rhyme, rhythm, metaphor, simile. A metaphor. She is as lovely as a rose is an example of rhyme, rhythm, metaphor, simile. A simile. We're comparing the girl to the rose by using the words as. She is sunshine on a rainy day is an example of rhyme, rhythm, metaphor, simile. A metaphor. We're saying one thing is another. Andy the alligator ate an apple is an example of simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, alliteration. Alliteration. We have one, two, three, four, five A words. Pow, zip, bang, boom are all examples of simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, alliteration. Onomatopoeia. When the writer gives non-human things human qualities is called simile, personification, hyperbole, alliteration. Personification. Notice the beginning of this word is the word person. So we're giving human qualities as if it was a person. The floorboards moaned when we entered the old house is an example of onomatopoeia, alliteration, hyperbole, personification. Sorry, this white box popped up. Personification, because again, floorboards can't moan. A person can moan. When the writer really exaggerates something to make a point, it is called onomatopoeia, alliteration, hyperbole, personification. Hyperbole, we're exaggerating. He is a genius is an example of simile, hyperbole, personification, or alliteration. Hyperbole. The most important thing to remember when reading poetry is to read the title, to find words that rhyme, to close your eye, to close read verse by verse, or to read fast. You want to read it closely. When reading poetry, an important thing to pay attention to is the title, who's narrating, main events, main ideas and events, or all of these. All of these. The podium. We all win because you guys are all winners and you're all awesome. Mhm. All right, what we are going to do next, you are going to come back to our Google Classroom and click on today's assignment. It is your graded assignment for the week, along with the one that was from 1/13. So you're going to complete today's assignment. After you're done, you're going to go back to 1/8 assignment and 1/13 assignment to make sure those are done. So 1/8 assignment, 1/13 assignment, and today's assignment are the three that you have in the grade book right now. Please make sure those are done because I don't want anybody to get a 0. If you got below a 70 on any of those except for today's, then you will do your corrections just one time and resubmit it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once you're done with all of this, you are done for the day, and I hope you enjoy your 3-day weekend. Love you guys.